phases. What are they? Moon phases refer to the changing appearances of the Moon as it orbits the Earth. These changes occur because the Moon reflects sunlight, and different portions of its illuminated surface become visible from Earth's perspective. As it moves along its orbit, this cycle consists in main phases and repeats approximately in 29.5 days, known as a lunar month. Why do they occur? The Moon-Earth-Sun relationship. The Moon completes one orbit around the Earth in about 29.5 days. Anytime, half of the Moon is illuminated by the Sun. As the Moon orbits Earth, the Sun, Earth, Moon geometry changes. This changing geometry determines how much of the illuminated surface is visible from Earth, resulting in different moon phases. Moon phases are caused by the Moon orbit around Earth and the changing visibility of sunlight on the Moon.
The lunar cycle. The lunar cycle is the change in the Moon shape as seen from Earth. It happens because the Moon orbits the Earth and sunlight lights up different parts of it. One full lunar cycle takes about 29.5 days. New Moon. The Moon appears completely dark in the sky. This happens because during this phase, the side of the Moon that is facing Earth is not illuminated by the Sun. Month state for phase is a primary, for illumination is 0%, position between the Sun and Earth. Next is waxing crescent. The Moon appears as a thin crescent shape in the sky. During this phase, the Moon moves further away from the Sun and more of its illuminated side become visible. For Moon state, phase in intermediate, illumination 0.1% to 49.9%. For position, nearly on a line with Earth. First quarter, the Moon appears exactly half of its surface illuminated. At this point in this cycle, the Moon is one quarter of the way through its orbit around the Earth. Moon state for Moon phase is a primary, illumination is 50% and position one quarter around the Earth. Waxing gibbous. The Moon appears in a mostly illuminated crescent shape with only a small part appearing dark. This occurs as the Moon continues to move away from the first quarter phase and closer to the full Moon phase. Moon phase is intermediate. Illumination is 50.1% to 99.9%. Position is moved further along in its orbit. Full Moon. The entire face of the Moon visible to Earth is fully illuminated. This occurs when the Moon is on the opposite side of the Earth from the Sun, with the Earth sandwiched between. So, Moon phase is a primary, and illumination is 100%, for position is opposite the Sun around the Earth. Waning gibbous. The Moon appears as a large and bright, but gradually shrinking crescent shape in the sky. The waning gibbous Moon rises in the east in the late evening and sets in the west in the early morning hours. Moon phase is an intermediate. Illumination is 99.9% to 49.9%. Position is moved further away from the full Moon phase. Third quarter, the Moon appears exactly half of its surface illuminated. The third quarter Moon is a phase of the Moon that occurs approximately 3 weeks after the new Moon phase. Moon states: Moon phase intermediate, illumination is 99.9% to 49.9%. Position is approximate 90 degrees away from the Sun. Last is waning crescent. The Moon appears as a thin crescent shape in the sky. The waning crescent Moon is a phase of the Moon that occurs approximately 3 weeks after the full Moon phase. Moon phase is intermediate. Illumination is 49.9 to 0.1%. for position is nearly on a line with Earth.
Neap tides are moderate tides that occur when the Sun and Moon are at right angles to each other relative to the Earth. At this position, the Sun's gravitational pull partly counteracts the Moon's gravitational pull, resulting in lower high tides and higher low tides. Within a lunar month, there are 2 neap tides and 2 spring tides. Spring tides are exceptionally high tides and unusually low tides. They occur when the Sun, Moon, and Earth align during the new moon or full moon phases, causing their gravitational forces to combine and enhance the lunar tide. Next, solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the Sun and Earth. This can result in a partial or total obscuration of the Sun as seen from Earth. During a total solar eclipse, the Sun is entirely covered by the Moon, casting a shadow on a specific region of the Earth. There are 3 types of solar eclipses: partial solar eclipses, annular solar eclipses, and a total solar eclipse. Lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth comes directly between the Sun and the Moon. This celestial event can only take place during a full moon when the Sun, Earth, and Moon are aligned in a straight line with the Earth in the middle. The Moon moves into the Earth's shadow, leading to a temporary dimming or darkening of the lunar surface. There are 3 types of lunar eclipses: penumbral lunar eclipses, partial lunar eclipses, and total lunar eclipses.
Of the moon phases. The moon completes a cycle of 8 phases over approximately 29.5 days, resulting from its orbit around Earth and the way it reflects sunlight. These phases influence ocean tides, with spring tides occurring during the new moon and full moon, and neap tides occurring during the first and last quarter. Eclipse takes place when the Earth, Moon, and Sun align in a straight phases is important. Understanding moon phases is important in scientific research and education. It helps scientists study the gravitational interaction between the moon and Earth, especially its effect on tides and Earth rotation. It helps us predict ocean tides, which is essential for fishing, navigation, and coastal safety. Moon phases are also used to understand orbital movement and time measurement in astronomy. Learning about them supports space exploration studies and helps students develop a clearer understanding of how the celestial system works.